I had every intention of harvesting this cabbage last week, but then I ended up getting really busy and it rained for days on end. So I did not get a chance to do that. So it looks like it's just a hair past its prime because some of these outer leaves have started to get some brown spots where something has been eating at them. So I'm just now, and you can see right here on that side where it's got, I don't know if that's a Japanese beetle or what that is. I haven't actually ever seen anything on these, but I see right there, all the rain probably isn't helping, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut this cabbage now. And then there's 4 in this bed, but that one over there that you can barely see is tiny. It's not ready. I think the rest pretty much are. And I think I may just pull this. That might be easier. You can see the whole thing right there. And since this is in a, ooh, now look. I see a slug hanging on. See it right there hanging? Ew, it's gross. But it just got kind of wet and slimy on these bottom leaves. But the cabbage looks pretty good. And I'm going to take it in and weigh it. It does have some damage on the underside, but like I said, I think that's just because I didn't pick this last week when I could tell that it was ready to be picked. So I'm going to pull these. So look at that. Cabbage on a stick. There are the roots. So this is my first cabbage that I've harvested from my 2020 fall garden. I have not harvested any. Everything has been so slow. Look at that. I'm gonna take probably a few. I'm probably just gonna cut. See all that right there? Probably just going to cut that off. I mean, like just with a knife, just kind of cut down and then use all the rest of it instead of peeling it, because I'd have to peel a lot of layers and the other end of it's pretty good. There it is. This is the first Savoy cabbage that I've grown, and so I think I probably have bought some of these from the grocery store before, but it's been a really long time. So I'm excited to see what this tastes like. Got some chicken that I'm thawing out, so I may make a stir fry. I'm not sure. I was thinking about soup tonight, but now that I'm pulling this cabbage, I'm thinking more along the lines of stir fry. Because I don't know, that's probably my favorite thing to do with cabbage, or the slaw with the vinegar. What do you make with your cabbage? Because I'm always needing more recipes. Just going to see if I can cut this. I can sit it on top of this. And there's my baby cabbage. All right, I'll talk to you next time.